Friendship Fluff! Hey guys, welcome to Friendship Fluff. This is our first video. It's going to be all about slime. And
this is Abby, Tessa, and Eva here.
We're all best friends.
And we're going to be making
Some
Friendship Fluff slime. And you can add any colors and glitters. We're just going to be using green food coloring and purple glitter because we think those will be awesome.
So we have some clear glue, some
Shaving cream, not the best in the world. Don't buy the cheap kind.
No,
don't buy the cheap kind.
It's still good.
It still works.
Well, you have to shake it up really fast, and we have our activator, which is saline solution.
You can also use borax and stuff like
Tide
that.
and stuff.
Tide
First,
laundry detergent.
you want to pour in your glue.
Do about half a cup. Or just
I think that a cup is like this whole rest of the thing, so I'm just gonna pour all of it. And the shaving cream doubles it up.
Don't worry, you don't have to use clear glue.
Yeah, different types of glue.
So yeah.
Don't put it on your face or anything.
Also, every video we're gonna have a goal of how many likes we're gonna get. Today's goal is 30 likes.
Yeah, I think we can do it, guys. Okay, I think that's all the glue I can get out. So.
Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, so you can't really see it, but
it's
around
really
right there. It's really.
And if I mix it up, air bubbles will come.
So.
Okay, next we're gonna add the dye. So who's gonna add the dye? Yeah, dye.
I'll add the dye.
No, it's not the dye.
If you want light, then I prefer about. If you want really dark green, then just like do this whole thing.
Yeah.
I prefer not doing that though.
So I think you should do
I'm gonna
2
do
drops.
6 drops.
No, 2 drops. Do 2 drops
1,
first.
2, and then you mix it to see how that goes. And if you want it darker or lighter, if you want it,
I think we should
darker, then
make it darker, right? Darker.
Darker. 1, 2. So 2 at a time. That looks pretty good.
Yeah.
But as you know, we're gonna add the shaving cream.
Yeah, and
which
then
might
make it
be
lighter.
Is it
lighter.
my turn?
So
It's supposed to be my turn.
Yeah, Tessa's gonna add
shaving cream.
shaving cream.
Okay.
I'll
So
keep
shake that up.
mixing,
Yeah, let me
but don't
shake it
add
for
a
you.
lot. Don't add a lot, though. I'll tell you when to stop.
She will tell you when to stop. Yep.
Sorry, guys, for the weird quality, because
We're like we said. Yeah, you need help.
Stop. That should be good.
Okay.
And by the way, we're only using clear glue because
We just
really
like clear
thick,
glue. It's
and
really
also
thick
really
and it's really cool. And just so you know, just a thing, so you don't get surprised, the clear glue has a tiny bit of activator in it, so it will start activating.
with the shaving cream.
With the shaving cream, you also had, which
But I think it's only with this type of glue. This is still super liquidy, so that's good.
Oh, let's make sure.
Now, who's gonna add the glitter?
I am going to add the glitter
Okay.
because
I'm not gonna add anything else because I'm mixing it, and that's kind of.
So,
also if you make a lot of slime, if you make a lot of slime,
if you make a lot of slime, I
prefer like adding a lot of glitter, but we're just gonna add a little bit because
You're
we don't want to
spilling it everywhere.
Yeah, we're not the professionals, so don't ask us for everything.
Okay, that should be good.
Let us know in the comments what kind of slime you want us next time. So we're always gonna do fluffy slime.
Yeah.
But
fluffy
ask
slime
us like
is always-
starburst slime, red starburst slime, like stuff like that. Like
Okay.
we like doing different candies
here.
and colors.
So you start and I'll add the activator.
It's super, super thick, you guys.
That
You
should
gotta
be
keep
enough.
adding activator every once in a while. And so like,
It's like really weird.
it's really light. There you go.
There we go. I think it needs a lot more. Let's just add some more.
Like a ton more.
There we go.
We just put in a lot of shaving cream, so you can see.
once you mix enough, you
think
can
we
like
need more
use your
shaving
hands
cream.
to mix.
Yeah, definitely. It's mostly glue right now. You can see that shaving cream in there.
Yeah, we're mixing the shaving
Oh, there
cream
we
up.
go. Okay, put it. So eventually, after one more load of shaving cream,
Or
saline
saline
solution activator,
Or
then I'm
contact
going
lens
to
solution.
start with my
This
hands.
is basically contact lens solution, but we just
It's
got
saline
saline
solution. It's a different name. Okay, add some more, and then I'll start with my hands.
my hands. Oh
have to get an instant replay of that. Hold on, I want to touch it. Okay, it's still a little bit sticky, but I think it's ready.
I want to touch
Okay.
Ah,
Oh, pull up your sleeves, everyone.
It's fine.
I can't get the I can't get it.
No, we're like cousins.
Cousins.
Wait, hold on. Wait,
Guys, I need to.
I'm trying to get it off for you.
Guys,
This is really, really out. You heard me.
guys.
Okay, go wash your hands. Go wash your hands.
Okay, guys, we're gonna wash our hands.
I'm gonna try to take this out.
I'm gonna do it first.
And we might do a face reveal soon.
I didn't really
Sorry,
hear
this
you,
is
but
like really messy. I didn't expect it to be this messy.
And by the way, I also have another channel. It's called Lovely Kitties 817. If you want to go check that out.
Mine is Galaxy Girl 549. So check that out.
But it's not out yet. It's not out yet, but I'll leave a link in the description of my channel. I don't think we should have mixed with our hands. Let's just start mixing with the spoon again. It wasn't even unsticking with to the bowl. Okay, that was a complete fail. Yeah, we have so many slimes. We're gonna have to do a slime collection video.
Oh yeah. So
I can't reach it. Eva, can you get
it's too sticky. You know what we need to add?
I know. Okay.
So we're adding some more shaving cream, so it's like more thick and stuff.
I don't think a solution was doing anything, so that's why we're adding more shaving cream.
Oh, and
Yeah.
by the way, always get adult supervision. Because Abby's 9, I'm 8, and she's 5. We can be trusted, so.
Yes.
Here. I should have gotten more than one.
Here, go wash your hands. I got it.
No, it's okay. It's starting to form, guys.
Oh, there we go.
It's starting to
All right, I'm gonna
form.
get it out. Let's see.
Okay, hand it
It's
to
getting
all
good.
of us. Oh,
Oh no.
Give some to all of us.
okay.
Put it on here. Just put it on here. Video just turned. I thought it was only gonna be 3 minutes. We should all wash our hands.
Okay, we'll be right back.
I'm gonna
And
go first.
a tiny bit.
Look how much.
I want to make sure it's not sticky. Does it?
Is it sticky?
All right, guys. So we just washed our
So,
hands.
we just washed our hands, and here is a slime tip. If it's too sticky, add shaving cream. If it's too, like, moisturizing and it's so wet and stuff, add more glue. If it's just like
Rippy.
it's not even like stretching, it's just liquid. Add more saline solution.
So
Borax is-
actually add lotion.
yeah,
I
lotion
love
helps.
borax. But
So
okay, can you guys take that? No, take this. I'm gonna try to get this on my hands. Hold on, don't touch it. Don't touch it yet. Don't touch it yet. It's still really sticky.
it's getting on the table.
Okay, so
I know.
it's fine. We can just clean it up. Okay, so
You guys can touch it.
okay, that's good.
Oh, Tessa's hand must be really warm. I might have to make it extra activated for
tip.
her.
If you
Oh,
have
let's-
really warm hands, then
Oh, don't touch it yet.
okay. Do you guys want a competition? In the comments down below, you're gonna write who won.
Tessa,
Everyone?
stop touching it. Here,
There's Tessa's
wait,
ball.
hold on. I'm gonna activate it more for you because your hands must be.
Mm-hmm.
And by the way, we both have a channel. I think we already said that. So I
Yeah,
don't
we
know why I
did.
said it. Here, just hold on. Is this sticky?
We'll show you the links. We'll get you the links down
Okay,
below.
it's still really sticky for her. We're gonna split
No,
this.
no.
Yeah, it is.
It is? Oh.
You
So-
don't even realize it. This is
I
where I
wanna show
eat, so
him.
that's still really sticky. Okay, this shouldn't be sticky. Actually, this is a good It's not even sticky.
See, if you squish it, you can hear really relaxing noises. But
Oh
here,
my gosh.
it's
Here, hold it in
so
your hands. Put it in
stretchy.
your hands. So we all get
Getting
some-
too much on my hands.
Well, that's what you have to do when you're making slime.
Sorry, you're gonna get messy. This is slime making. You gotta get into the life now.
Yeah, mine is not sticky at all. Is yours
Mine's
sticky?
sticky.
Kind of. I'm gonna add some. Tessa, you just.
Okay, I
go
think
quicker.
we need shaving cream.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! It got in her clothes.
That
Can you
was-
please help me with your sister?
I'm trying. I'm getting this off me.
So, okay, wash your hands again.
I can't reach over there.
Okay, I'll help you.
Oh, I just flung slime. Okay,
Okay, so Abby will give you some tips while we're doing
okay, so I'll try to give you some ASMR. But let's see, shaving cream. shaving cream. So I won't see half of it. So a tip with slime, if you get it on your pants or clothes, put vinegar on it and it'll slide right off.
Yeah, so don't get it on your clothes. Don't get it in your hair, please.
Okay,
Like
this is where-
she literally looked like she had a big chunk. It comes out of your hair easily though in the shower.
Okay,
So just
so I think we should end the video here. We'll do a review of the slime like in another video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next
really enjoyed
time.
it. Sorry if we had some technical difficulties.
It's
but
just because like
it's just
Okay.
life, bro.
oh my goodness, it's still-
very sticky.
So I think we'll
It
fix
even
this one.
spread out on
So,
my
I
pants.
hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.